I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating your address on PhonePe is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the PhonePe app. Launch the PhonePe application on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon, usually located at the top left corner of the home screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select address. In the account settings menu, look for the address option and tap on it. This will show you your current address details. Step 4. Edit your address. Click on the edit button next to your address. Enter the new address details carefully. Double check for any typos, as incorrect addresses can lead to issues with deliveries. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new address, make sure to hit the save button to confirm the changes. You should see a confirmation message once it's updated successfully. Updating your address on PhonePe is quick and easy. If you follow these steps, you'll have your new address set in no time.